So here's an update on the KDX engine. I've got the right side cover off. There was a little bit of rust in the shifter mechanism. See, but not bad. Now, when I popped the cover off, something snapped loudly in the vicinity of the Kickstarter, and I'm pretty sure it was the spring, return spring. But I don't know. I'm not sure if the end of that is in the right spot or if it should be up here or something. But anyway, with the thing off, with the cover off, it works and returns. So hopefully it will when I put the cover back on. Either way, you know, it's obviously on the it's obviously in this area. I don't think I'm going to have to split the cases, even if it doesn't work when I'll put the cover back on, but I'm hoping it will. Let's see. There's the piston coming up. It doesn't look terrible, but I am going to go ahead and pull that jug off and take a peek inside and go ahead and at the very least do a ring job. You know, I might as well. So that's where I'm at on that. Okay, I have the head bolts loose. Ignore the stupid goat. And here comes the head. Let's go ahead and pull these head bolts out first. I'll put them back in the same position they came out, not that it probably matters. Head looks good. Okay. Bore looks kind of scored. I don't know. Might be good to look for another jug. Of course, the piston is standard, so if these can be bored, then I could just go with a bigger piston, but I'll probably look for another jug. I saw some on for sale online, cheap, so probably won't hurt to have a spare for the price I've seen them for. The piston itself actually doesn't look too bad. I don't know. Anyway, that's all there is to it on a two-stroke. Boom, just like that. You've heard of reed valves? Those are reed valves. That's a reed valve inside there. There you go. See it from that direction. Basically what it does is makes the engine work at a lower RPM because it prevents charge reversal into the intake manifold, which makes it work at a lower RPM while still being capable of higher RPM power. So that's it for now.